In today's class, we will study publication ethics. This is a topic in the BMS third phase, fourth chapter, and third topic in the syllabus of research methodology. In today's class, we will study the meaning of ethics, definition, purpose of this ethical publication, key principle, violation of publication ethics, and conclusion. We will study one by one. What it means that whenever we did something new research, or we are completed our thesis work in the academic or as well as in the scientific research, then the rules is that whatever we found the new things, we should share to others in the form of journals or in the form of online publication, book publication. We have to publish. While publishing, what are the rules and regulations we have to follow? That is nothing but publication ethics. Here, before we have to study the publication ethics, first thing we have to know the meaning of ethics. The meaning of ethics means set of moral principles that guide human behavior in right and wrong. What is right and what is wrong? If someone is lost their something like person, if you are returning, that is considered one of the ethics it is there in you, or honesty it is there. Like that, the some things, rules and regulation, whatever it is there given by guidelines by government or some WHO or publication guidelines, if you follow, this is considered as a publication ethics. Now we'll study the definition. The publication ethics refers the sets of rules and standards followed to ensure honesty, integrity, and transparency in publishing scientific and academic works. While you are after completion of your research work, if you want to publish in that, the publication ethics is that a set of some rules are there and rules and standards are there. You have to follow to ensure because of honesty, integrity, and transparency in the publication. This is about the definition. Next thing is the purpose. What is the purpose of this publication ethics? One is to maintain the research integrity, and second one, avoid the plagiarism, fraud, and misconduct. What it is mean by plagiarisms? Plagiarism is nothing but copying someone's information in your, or copying someone's research work and showing that yours research work. This is the plagiarism. Fraud is, or misconduct is that if you are doing frauds or misconduct with the participant, all that. This is also one of the purpose to maintain that one. Next is the ensure proper credit is given to the authors. It means that the who is actually the help in the research, their authors credit you have to give, instead of that those are not helped in the research. Those are really helped, those authors name only you have to give mention in the publications. Next is to protect the rights of the humans and animal subjects. While doing the preclinical research, the animals we are using, that better you have to reduce the pain or unnecessary killing, that avoids, that comes under the ethics or laws. Next is the protect the human volunteers, because the unnecessary pain or unnecessary trial drugs given to the human beings or higher dose, that you have to avoid. The next one is the key principle. Key principles are there. The honesty. While you are publication planning, report data and result should be truthfully. Whatever it may be, your research work, positive or negative, as it is, you have to publish the truthfulness. Next one is the originality. The research should be yours own. Avoid the plagiarisms, that copying the others and duplicate publications, the copying few things and showing yourself, that should be avoided. This is also coming under the publication ethics. Next one is the authorships. Authorships, only contributors should be listed as authors. Suppose your friend is helped in your research work, you have to mention that along with your name, your friend name also add in the author's name. If someone is that is without helping, their name also they are adding in the authors, that should be avoided. This is the unethical things. Next is the transparency, because they disclose any conflict of the interest. If someone is helped financially or someone is helped in other things, that also you have to mention, or others benefits is there, that also you have to maintain for the transparency. Next, peer review. Peer review is nothing but those are expert in your field. Suppose if you are considered as a ophthalmologist, then ophthalmology, the expert in the ophthalmologist, the whatever the things you are did, that he is review, that is called as a expert opinion or peer review. In the middle school or high school, use whatever the homework you did, your teachers will check whether you did or not, like that. While before publications, the authors, the expert will check your research work, that is called peer review. Follow fair and unbiased. One-sided result should be not be there, and fair, that is reviewed by this expert one in your field. Next, accountability. Author must take responsibility for their work. What it means, due to your research in the future or at present something is bad thing is happening, or after a few years, 3 years, 4 years, that whatever due to your research work the problem arises, whatever the good things, bad things, everything, so you should take the responsibility or accountability. That is one of the key principle in the publication ethics. Next one is the violation of publication ethics. What are the things violating while the publishing the ethics? The first thing is the researcher that's violating. First is the plagiarisms. Plagiarism is nothing but someone's things data is copying and showing you. This is the plagiarism. Improper authorships. Just now I told, that is, suppose your friend did help in your work, instead of that your wife name is you are mentioned instead of your friend, like that. This is the improper authorship if you are given. This is the violation of publication ethics. Data fabrications and falsification. Data fabrication is creating your own data without you are going to the survey. Simply you are through your mind creating the data. This is the data fabrication. And false data creating. This is also violation. Next one is the duplicate publications. It means that some things, the ideas, everything you have taken and prepared your synopsis, thesis work or your research work and published someone others, the duplicate copying, that is the duplicate publication. Or the second, another duplicate publication is nothing but the so many journals you published your data, that is, instead of publication in one place, the unnecessary publication, same thing in the other journals also. This is the multiple publication is also coming under the data duplicate publication. Next one is the conflict of interest and not disclose. Just now I discussed, that is if someone is helped you or someone is getting benefits, some pharmaceutical companies or any other that is facing problems, everything you have to mention in the publication ethics. This is the conflict of interest. Next, lastly, the conclusion of this publication ethics. Here, the following publication ethics ensure the trust, credibility and quality in academic and scientific communities. And next thing, it also protects the reputation of both authors as well as the journals while publication. This is all about the publication ethics. Hope you understood. If you understood this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.